Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Archie Garg and today I'm going to talk to you about InfiniData Academy. In my entire IT career, I have met many people who are looking to upskill in the world of data science and analytics. Maybe they are stuck in their current role, or maybe they are simply looking to explore new possibilities. Well, if this sounds like you, then InfiniData Academy is the perfect place for you. You may ask why InfinData Academy when there are tons of other options available. At InfinData, we have expert instructor who will be teaching you meticulously designed course curriculum covering all aspects of data science as well as recent developments going on in the field. Not just that, you will be working on many real-world projects and case studies. Also, we provide you with the career guidance as well as great networking opportunity. So, what are you all waiting for? Head over to our website infiniDataAcademy.com and get in touch with our team right now. Hope to see you all there.